Tomatoes are nutritious and offer several health benefits. Here are some of them. 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium and folate. 2. Antioxidant properties. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and reduces the risk of certain diseases. 3. Heart health. The potassium and fiber in tomatoes can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 4th, cancer prevention. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, such as prostate, breast, and lung cancer. 5. Supports eye health. Vitamin A in tomatoes helps maintain healthy vision and prevents age-related macular degeneration. 6. May help manage blood sugar. Tomatoes contain fiber and antioxidants that may help regulate blood sugar levels. Overall, tomatoes are a nutritious and versatile food that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways.